Now let's set up shipping. So in settings, go to shipping. And here you can set up the rates for your domestic deliveries on our rest of the world. So if you don't ship worldwide, make sure to change it. So click on Manage Rates. And now you can select whether it is the shipping rule for all the products or only for certain products. So you can pick only a few products. So obviously, if you sell like digital orders or heavy goods, you can use different shipping methods for those different items. Where are the products shipped from? So you can change it if you want, especially if you're drop shipping or if you're using fulfillment center. You can manage it here, and here you can change shipping zones. So here we've got two shipping zones, United Kingdom or rest of the world, which is a little bit unfair because I think it should be either rest of the world outside of Europe, because if you're located in Europe, or it should be UK, Europe, and then the rest of the world, because it would be unfair to charge your European visitors or European customers the same rate as you would charge your US customers. However, if you are located in a place like the USA or Australia, where shipping worldwide is probably gonna be the same, those kind of two shipping zones should be perfectly enough. So one for your own country and one for the rest of the world. So all you have to do is create shipping zone, and you can choose a new shipping zone, for example, just for Europe. So this is a name. And then you can choose which one. So no Asia. We can select all countries in Europe or deselect few of them. For example, if you don't want to, let's say, if you don't like Guernsey, you can deselect Guernsey or deselect any of the countries that you don't want to ship to. And then simply, when finished, click Done. So this way you've got three shipping zones right now. And you can add rates for the shipping zone. So under the domestic zone, click Add Rate. You can set up your own rates or use carrier or app to calculate rates. So if you will be using shipping calculator at the checkout, this is useful. However, I do not recommend using it. I recommend using flat rate shipping, which is much more straightforward, much easier to understand for your customers, and easier to follow, and therefore it's much more likely to help you boost sales. So for example, I can offer standard shipping. Let's say it will be £5. And you can specify any conditions if you want. You can specify whether this rate is up to certain limit or between certain limit of weight of the item. Obviously, you would have to put individual weight on every item, or based on the order price. So, and this will be standard shipping, for example, on order only up to £25. So it will be from 0 to £25. Let's say from well, yeah, let's put from 0 to £25 and then click Done. If you want, you can set up another shipping rates. So for example, for either bigger orders or for heavier items. So another standard shipping, bulk orders. And let's say it will be £12. Then add conditions. The previous one was up to 25, so let's say 2501 and no limit, and click Done. You can then save or you can add, I'm not sure what this is, it's deleted, and you can add the same for Europe or for rest of the world, and when done, simply click Save.